All right. We're making our mountain bike trail in our woods. This is going to be our berm. And essentially what we're doing is putting up some logs and then packing dirt on top of it to give us this nice curve as we come down here. Then our berm will be right through here. So just packing up some logs to lead on through the trail. We got some logs placed just to give it some height. All right, we're gonna secure the beams of our berm. Got some rusty old scrap rebar from a construction site and a big drill bit. I'm gonna drill down through here, secure the edges of our berm so we can start piling up the dirt. Good job. All right, good job. Daddy's turn. Right? Yeah. Baby. If you have any dirt, try to start adding it to the berm.
Here comes the truck.
Bye-bye. Y'all getting some more dirt?
Yeah.
All right, thanks, buddies. Keep up the good work. You guys got some dirt for me? All right, thanks, boys.
Welcome.
All right, berm's complete, boys. Now we're gonna let it settle for another couple days and then ride our bikes on it. Sound good?
Yeah.
All right. All right, here it is from the back side. Got a couple layers of logs holding everything up with our repurposed rebar. And we got a nice little slope on there so we can maintain full speed going around this curve on our bikes. Let me do the countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ride! All right, good job, buddy. All right.